Sometimes you want a side dish that will fill you up and satisfy that sweet tooth. This Sweet Potato Banana Croquette is a sweet, tasty addition to your plate no matter what time of day. It can taste like banana bread or a sweet potato casserole, both of which are winners. So grab a cup of hot cocoa, it's time to cook some magic in Mrs. Crinkle's kitchen. For this recipe, you'll need a 12 to 14 ounce sweet potato, your favorite honey, cinnamon, and one of those bananas that you're considering turning into banana bread. We're going to microwave the sweet potato, so poke several holes into it to allow steam to escape while baking. Corncob holders as multitaskers for the win. Microwave the sweet potato for 6 minutes. While that's cooking, in a bowl, break up your ripe banana and begin mashing it. You want there to be hardly any chunks. When the sweet potato is done, carefully cut the skin lengthwise and open it, allowing it to cool for about 2 minutes. Scoop out the flesh of the sweet potato and put it into the bowl. Begin mashing the banana and sweet potato together until both ingredients are fully incorporated. Use about 1 teaspoon of your favorite honey to add to the mash, or you can drizzle it on at the end if you prefer. Then give it a stir. Now add a few shakes of cinnamon and mix to combine. I like to use an ice cream scoop to give consistency and size. Give a skillet a coating of cooking spray or melt a pat of butter if you prefer. Put a scoop of the mash into the skillet and give a little press to spread out the bottom as they cook. 3 to 4 minutes after the last scoop is in the pan, flip the first croquette over and lightly press it down. See that caramelized crust? That is the stuff dreams are made of, and in 3 more minutes, they'll be ready to make someone very happy. Sweet Potato Banana Croquettes are basically a fancy way of saying, I needed to use this banana, and I got creative. Thankfully, it's not just making use of that ripe banana. It's giving you a big dose of vitamin A and potassium, but you don't have to tell anyone. You can just sit back and enjoy the accolades coming your way. You deserve them. If you like this recipe, give it a thumbs up and share it. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell to be notified when new videos go live. If you'd like the full printable recipe, go to mrscringleskitchen.com.